grade 1 Mark. Welcome to our class. For today, our subject is mathematics. Okay, but before that, we need to pray. Okay, so close your eyes, bow your head, and let's pray. Father God, come be with us today. Fill our hearts with joy. Fill our minds with learning. Fill our classroom with peace. Fill our lessons with fun. Fill our friendship with kindness. And fill our school with love. We pray. Amen. Okay, kids, so for today, once again, our topic or our subject for today is mathematics. Okay? So before we start, we will count the objects. So this objects is related with our topic for today. So let's count. So for this counting class, we have set A, set B, and set C. So we will start counting the object from the set A. So let's count. So you need to follow teacher, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, for set A, we have 12 birds. Okay? Now, let's go with the set B. So, let's count. You need to follow. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 9. So for this set B, we have 9 eggplants. Now, let's go with the last set, which is the set C. Okay, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for set C, we have 6 balls. Now, kids, let's identify which one has the highest objects and which one has the lowest objects. Which one do you think has a highest object? So let's find out. So kids, set A has the highest object and the lowest object is set C. Okay, again, set A has a highest object while set C has the lowest objects. Okay, so kids, later on we will use that one. So because our topic for today is all about ordering numbers. When we order number, kids, we need to identify which one has the highest objects and which one has the lowest objects. So start. Okay, number may be arranged in these. So the first one is from greatest to, now let's have an example. Okay, so let's identify first how to identify which one has the greatest and the lowest. So start from the number with the highest value from the number with the lowest value. Again, to find the greatest to least, you need to start from the highest object from the lowest object. So let's start. So for this one, we have set A, set B, set C, and set D. So let's start counting. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 apples. Next. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 oranges. Next. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 lemons. Next, we have 1, 2, have 2 tomatoes. So we have set A, set B, set C, and set D. Now, kids, let's identify the greatest to least. Which one has the highest value to least? Okay, so the first one is, what do you think? First one is 5, which is the greatest object. What comes next after 5? Okay, so it's 4. Okay, very good. Then what comes next after 4? It's 3. Okay, very good. And the last one is the least, okay, which is the 2. So this is the arrangement of greatest to least. So 5, 4, 3, and 2. That is greatest to least. Okay, another example for greatest to least. So we have again set A, set B, set C, and set D. So let's start counting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so 7. We have 7 stars for set A. Okay, next one. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 mugs for set B. Okay, next one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 marbles for set C. Okay, next one, set D. Last set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 moons for the set D. Now, let's identify the greatest to least. Which one has the highest value of object? Okay, so highest value of object is the number 8, which is the marbles. Okay, next, what comes next? First, 7. So 8, 7. So 7 stars. Okay, next, after 7, what comes next? First, the 6. Okay, the 6 max. First, the last one is the lowest, which is the number 5. Again, greatest to least, which is 8, 7, 6, and 5. So that is the arrangement from greatest to least. I hope you learn. Okay, next. Okay, isn't it? I told you we have 2 ways to order numbers. So the first one is from greatest to least, and this is the second one, which is from least to greatest. Again, first one is the greatest to least, and this one, the second one, is from least to greatest. So vice versa. Okay, so let's how to find the least to greatest. Okay, from this one, we need to start from lowest to highest value. Again, for this one, we need to find the lowest value from the highest value. Okay, let's start. So again, we have set A, set B, set C, and set D. So let's start counting. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 bananas for set A. Next, we have 1, 2. So we have 2 balloons for set B. Okay, next one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 carrots for sets. Okay, the next one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 sharpeners for sets. Okay, again, for set A, we have 3 bananas. For set B, we have 2 balloons. For set C, we have 5 carrots. And for set D, we have 4 sharpeners. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this time from greatest to least. No, now let's identify which one has the lowest number of objects. So, of course, the lowest number from this example is the number 2, which is the 2 balloons. Okay, after 2, what comes next? Of course, the number 3, which is the bananas. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, next, what comes next? Of course, the number 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Of course, the greatest is the number 5. So that is the arrangement from least to greatest, kids. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, next example. Okay, again, we have set A, set B, set C, and set D. So let's start counting from set A. So we have 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, have 3 plates for the set A. Okay, next one. So we have 1, 2, 4, 5. So we have 5 spoons for set B. Okay, next one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 6 forks for sets. Okay, next. We have 1, 2, and 3, 4. Have 4 glasses for set D. Again, set A, we have 3 plates. Set B, we have 5 spoons. Set C, we have 6 forks. And for set D, we have 4 glasses. Now, let's identify from least to greatest. Okay, which one has the lowest number of objects? So, of course, lowest is the number 3, which is the plates. Okay, next one, we have 4, which is the 4 glasses. Okay, next, after 4, number 5, which is the spoons. The last one is the 6, which is the fork. So that is the arrangement from least to greatest. Okay? Kids, do you understand? Again, we have two ways to order the numbers. Okay? The first one is from greatest to least. Okay, the second one is from lowest to greatest. Okay, so that are the two ways of ordering numbers. Okay, for the summary of our lesson, kids, please listen. Okay, arrange the numbers from greatest to least by starting from the highest value to lowest value. Okay, next. Arrange the numbers from least to greatest by starting from the lowest to highest value. Okay? So that is our lesson for today, kids, about ordering numbers. For your homework, please answer pages 70 and 73 in your math book. Again, please answer pages 70 and 73 in your math book. Okay, kids, thank you for listening. Again, thank you for listening, kids. See you soon. Bye-bye.